Folks, we have to break down Palantir in this video. Oh boy, do you see all that green? And now after the bell, it is up even more. We're going to break down the charts here. Today, Palantir did very well, and the overall stock market crushed it as well. Maybe we'll talk about that at the end of the video, but for now, we're going to focus on Palantir, the key points on the chart, my thoughts, all that good stuff. So if y'all find value, smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you all for tuning in as always. And feel free to follow me on Twitter, guys. I'm getting way more active on there at StasSurFest or Stas Talk Stocks. You'll find me on Twitter, guys, or just go down below, hit that link, follow me on there if you want. And yeah, let's dive into it, man. Palantir is looking pretty interesting right now. The stock went up 4.3% on the day, up 63 cents, and we closed at $15.30. Pretty strong day overall for Palantir, as again, the overall stock market crushed it. I forgot to mention, the Russell went up over 1% today. We had the NASDAQ up 1.6, and now it's up way more because we just got Nvidia's numbers, which I made a more in-depth video. I just recorded it, but that's coming out tomorrow on Nvidia, so make sure you guys subscribe and keep in touch for that video. But yeah, man, the futures are up big time right now. The NASDAQ futures are up another 1%. Unbelievable, because Nvidia is ripping. Now we have Palantir up as well after the bell. So yeah, NASDAQ went up 1.6, and let me actually pop triple Q up really quickly. It is up another roughly 0.75%, 0.8%. So yeah, big move here for the Nasdaq. The Dow went up 0.5%. The S&P went up 1.1%, and Palantir, like I said, went up 4.3%. And now after the bell, it is making a nice move, up 4.2% on top of the 4.2%. Funny enough that it went up on the day. So let's break it down, guys. Let's go over what's going on here. On the 5-day, for sure, we're at a fresh high now with today's move after the bell, which is good for the bulls. We're above the moving averages. We have a golden cross, right? And now we're just now taking the highs out from the middle of August, right? You can see that, boom, right here. We hit on the 16th, 15th, or 17th, whatever days these were right here. We hit 1570 roughly. Now that we're above 16 for Palantir, we're breaking out of that, which is great overall for the bulls, obviously. So Palantir is on fire on the 5-day. On the 10-day, we're clearly starting to break out now. Not quite yet to the highs on the 10-day, which were hit on the 9th of August. It looks like we hit $17.18. But guys, look at this. If I draw this trend line out, oh boy, are we breaking out of this point, 1585, which was resistance all throughout the 9th of August to about the 17th of August. So yeah, guys, we're slowly breaking above 1585 now that we're over $16. And the next gap that could fill maybe on this 10-day 30-minute chart, as we see it right now, could be up to about $17.20. Let me actually draw out this oval tool right here. Boom. That's where we're trading right now. You guys can see what's going on, right? And let me actually pull up the trend line again. Let me show you on this 20-day. We're slowly starting to break out on the 20-day. And let's say, hypothetically, we gain momentum above, let's say, 17, 10, 15. Excuse me, guys. We could maybe then make a move towards 1850, 1865. And who knows where it's going to go from there. But overall, Nvidia's earnings are for sure pushing Palantir stock up. These are both AI. I don't want to say they're solely AI-focused companies, but the theme here is AI. So we have Nvidia, breaking out. Let me actually pull that up for you guys right now. Oh, excuse me, guys. Jeez, Nvidia is completely breaking out. Excuse me, guys. Oh, my God. I should not have eaten that. What the frick did I eat before this? We can see Nvidia's now up to $513 after the bell. It is up another, 9% above, rather, the 3% that it already went up on the day. So, yeah, that's contributing to the breakout here. And let me show you this. If I pull up the 4-hour, or let me show you, the 4-hour on Palantir, one thing that I saw and I was like, ooh, this is interesting. We might have a head and shoulders in the making here, guys. Not this little one that I'm talking about right here. Forget about this. This already played out. This one that you see right here, this head and shoulders already played out. But if you look here at, let me clear the drawing set. If you look here at what we have going on right here in the grand scheme of things, could this be a head and shoulders on Palantir? not trying to alarm anybody, but I'm just drawing it out and thinking ahead here. I think it could be potentially, you know, if we do fail to break above this neckline, which is right around 1685 ish, right? $17. Let me draw it out and show you guys. Boom, 1685, $17. If Palantir, big if, we'll see. But if they do fail to break above this point, guys, being 1685, $17, let me actually set my alert. It is a real possibility that that head and shoulders could be playing out on the 4-hour chart, which honestly, that'd be the bull's worst nightmare, honestly, in the short term. Not trying to scare anybody. I'm just being real, right? But if we do break above 17, which I just put my alert there, Palantir could really, really start to take off from that point. And who knows, maybe that's when we start going 18.75, $20, and maybe even higher from that. I mean, look, they reported earnings. When were their earnings? Like a month and a half ago at this point? Let's see. No, actually, no, never mind. Geez, not that long ago. About 3 weeks ago, not even, a little less than 3 weeks ago. So the markets are digesting their earnings. Markets saw a sell-off in general. Now it looks like the indexes are starting to turn. Maybe this could spark a rally overall for Palantir, as again, these indexes are starting to reverse, right? You guys can see SPY's now breaking out of that downtrend slightly that we were talking about recently, right? You guys see that right here. Boom, SPY's breaking out, looking pretty good, especially here after the bell and triple Q, which we've covered before. That's been breaking out, right? We covered that earlier today, I believe. So you guys can see SPY went up 1.1% on the day, and now it is up an additional 0.6, almost 0.7% after the bell. Pretty impressive there. And we have triple Q, of course, led by the not the NASDAQ. What's it called? NVIDIA, right? This is up another what? It went up 1.6. Now it's up another almost 1%. Unbelievable. After the bell, completely breaking out here on the 20-day chart, as you all can see. Boom, we're breaking out. We have a golden cross now forming. We're above the moving averages. Bulls are probably getting very excited here, guys, as this could lead to more upside. Potentially, of course, nothing's guaranteed. But this looks pretty good overall for the bulls. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and hit that like button. Why not? Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe, and do not forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo. Just use that link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, that's all you guys have to do. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, and if you want some more money, hey, why not? Fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, and mind you, each of those could be valued up to $2,000. And listen to this, guys. Fund your account at least $5,000. On top of those 15 stocks, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Expedia stock, which makes this promo a no-brainer. So what are you waiting for? Use that link, get on it. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you in the next one.